Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best clawfoot bathtubs that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Clawfoot Bathtubs. What could be more effortlessly stylish than an elegant, traditionally styled clawfoot bathtub? Bringing the very best of style and sophistication direct to your bathroom, clawfoot tubs are ideal for period styling or true to original feature rooms and period renovations. The aesthetic of the clawfoot's heyday was most definitely less is more, with a focus on a very small number of select. Number 5. Adjustable Shower Head Holder Bathroom Suction Cup Handheld Shower Head Bracket. Allows you to place the shower arm at any desired height for easy access by relocating the shower head, which restore easily at any time. Main features: vacuum adsorption, easy to install, extremely wide scope. Number 4. Kingston Brass Bathtub 7-inch length ceramic tub miniature with feet. This mini 7-inch bathtub with silver clawfoot feet makes a great added decoration for your personals. Main features: made from ceramic construction, used as decorative potpourri container. Country of origin: China. Number 3. Adjustable Shower Head Holder Bathroom Suction Cup Handheld Shower Head Bracket. Allows you to place the shower arm at any desired height for easy access by relocating the shower head, which restore easily at any time. Main features: extremely wide scope, easy to install, vacuum adsorption. Number 2. Tub Repair Kit White for Acrylic Porcelain Enamel and Fiberglass Tub Repair Kit for Sink. Our new and improved Bathtub Repair Kit White has the superpower of restoring your cracked. Main features: bathtub crack tile repair kit, acrylic tub kit repair kit white, porcelain repair kit. Number 1. Adjustable Shower Head Holder Bathroom Suction Cup Handheld Shower Head Bracket. ABS plastic handle with non-slip grip, you can seize the handle to adjust the direction between the shower and the shower nozzle conveniently. Main features: vacuum adsorption, easy to install, extremely wide scope. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.